Hello Click Designers! So for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you where and how you can locate or access your Pinterest marketing post templates on your ClickDesigns marketing kit. So keep in mind your ClickDesigns marketing kit does depend on the access level that you have on your account. So after you log into your ClickDesigns, make sure to go on over here on the top and click on Templates. So after clicking on templates, you'll be able to see the different categories of different types of graphic templates that ClickDesigns has to offer. So to access your marketing kit, quickly click on this arrow button right here and browse until you find a category labeled marketing. So right here, click on that. So after you click on marketing, you will be able to see several different categories of different social media platforms. So here we have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Presentation, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for this tutorial, we are going to be looking through the Pinterest templates. So go on over to Pinterest and make sure to click on that. And once you click on Pinterest right off the bat, you'll be able to see several templates for the purpose of Pinterest marketing posts. But if you want to get more specific, on the side over here, we have two different categories for two different types of Pinterest marketing posts. So we have the Pinterest tall post, which is 564 by 1200, and the Pinterest advert, which is 600 by 900. So let's go through these two categories. So first, let's click on the Pinterest tall post. So once you click on that, you'll easily be able to view different options of graphic design templates for a Pinterest tall post. So we have different colors, different purposes, and different designs. And then let's go to the Pinterest advert. So similarly to the tall post, these are different options of design templates for a Pinterest advert. So there's an option here to view more. So you can view more templates for your Pinterest adverts, different colors, different designs, and different styles. So that is it. That is how you access your Pinterest marketing post templates on your ClickDesigns marketing kit. Thank you, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.